Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We are in the middle of cocktail month here in the TK where we are mixing up and shaking up some of the most popular cocktails out there so that you can easily make them at home. Today, we're kicking it into high gear and making a Moscow Mule. Yeah, see what I did there, Mule? Kicking it? Yeah, anyway, hey, unless you're one of our viewers in Moscow, you don't actually have to travel all the way to Russia, nor do you have to saddle up on an equine to enjoy this amazing drink that is a mixture of vodka, ginger beer, and lime. It is time to raise the bar and our copper mug. So bring it. So what you're gonna need is vodka, ginger beer, lime, and ice. You'll also need a copper mug, which is optional, a juicer, a jigger, a spoon, and a sharp knife. A few fun facts for you. Moscow is actually the northernmost megacity on the planet. It's the second largest city in Europe and the 11th largest city on the face of the earth. A mule? Well, that's a mixture between a male donkey and a female horse. So, how did this drink get such a creative name? Well, it all comes down to its ingredients, which include vodka. Vodka is from Russia. Moscow is in Russia. And the ginger beer, which is actually ginger, sugar, and yeast that is fermented into a nice, spicy, bubbly soft drink, giving the Moscow Mule the nickname, the drink with the velvet kick. Now, I had my first Moscow Mule in 2015 when the drink was starting to make a resurgence. But it all goes back to the 1940s when they were trying to clear out some Smirnoff vodka and homemade ginger beer from the basement of the Cock and Bull pub on Sunset Boulevard in Los Angeles. Which just goes to show you sometimes when you're clearing things out in life, magic is born. And to make the drink even more distinguishable, they put it in these copper mugs that they bought from a young Russian girl who was selling them door to door. So in tribute to all of those fine folks who created the Moscow Mule for us, we get started by cutting our lime in half. Now to one side, I'm going to slice off a really thin slice of lime. This will give us a nice garnish that we can use at the end. And to this other half, I am going to squeeze it into our copper mug. Now you want to make sure that you get a copper mug that is lined with a food grade liner. This has a clear liner in it. You can also get them lined with stainless steel. You'll notice that because it's got a distinct silver color to it. Next, we're going to add our vodka. We're doing the original Smirnoff, 2 ounces of Smirnoff vodka, or as my friend Chris says, vodka. Vodka. We're going to grab some ice. We'll add ice to the top of the mug and finish it off with some ginger beer all the way to the top. This puts in about 4 to 6 ounces. Give it a little bit of a stir. Finish it off with a lime. We've got ourselves a Moscow Mule, y'all. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make a Moscow Mule in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Ooh, velvety kick. Cha-cha! I'm gonna bring it.
Yeah, this time, just bring it.
This is me bringing it. Bringing the groove. Come on.